Imagine walking through a city where street lights adjust automatically based on pedestrian flow, public transport never misses a beat, energy is used with maximum efficiency, and the air you breathe is cleaner than ever. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to the world of smart cities. And behind this intelligent transformation stands a powerful framework called ISO 37151. But what exactly is ISO 37151? Why is it gaining attention in urban development, sustainability, and infrastructure planning? Well, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. In this video, we will explore the core of ISO 37151, how it works, its components, and why it is a game changer for smart communities around the world. What is ISO 37151? ISO 37151 2015 is an international standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO. It provides a framework of performance indicators to measure how effective, efficient, and sustainable a community infrastructure system is. Its official title is Smart Community Infrastructures, Principles and Requirements for Performance Metrics. In simpler terms, ISO 37151 helps governments, planners, and developers evaluate and improve urban infrastructure, from energy to transportation, water to communications, based on how well it serves people and the environment. The purpose of ISO 37151. The main objective of ISO 37151 is to improve quality of life for city residents, enable efficient resource use in urban infrastructure, ensure long-term sustainability, provide measurable performance benchmarks, whether it is designing a new highway system or upgrading a water network. ISO 37151 enables decision makers to align their projects with smart and sustainable outcomes using reliable performance metrics. The foundation. What does the standard cover? ISO 37151 is structured around the concept of smart community infrastructures, which refers to physical systems and digital technologies used in urban areas, such as energy grids, water supply, waste management, transportation, and ICT. Importantly, ISO 37151 is non-prescriptive. That means it doesn't tell you what to build, it tells you how to assess what you built. Relevance to smart cities. Smart cities integrate digital technology with physical infrastructure to enhance performance. ISO 37151 provides the standardized language and measurement tools to guide this integration. For example, it helps assess whether smart lighting systems actually save energy, if public transport apps are improving commute efficiency, how resilient a city's power grid is to cyber attacks. This evidence-based approach helps government make smarter investments and track real progress. Benefits of using ISO 37151. Adopting ISO 37151 offers multiple benefits. Objective performance measurement using standard KPIs, better stakeholder communication using shared language, improved investment decisions through data-driven planning, enhanced sustainability and quality of life for communities. Benchmarking against other cities or regions, it bridges the gap between engineering complexity and public expectations. Implementation approach. Implementing ISO 37151 usually involves these steps. Define objectives. What is the city trying to achieve? Select relevant indicators, not all. 12 may apply equally. Collect baseline data, establish the current state. Measure performance, use quantitative tools. Analyze results, identify gaps and areas for improvement. Develop action plans based on findings. Monitor and review continuous improvement. This approach ensures that infrastructure development is strategic and responsive. Global adoption. Examples. Many cities across the globe are leveraging ISO 37151 principles. Japan used ISO 37151 in planning smart energy districts. Europe integrated the KPIs into regional sustainability programs. Dubai used performance metrics to evaluate infrastructure upgrades. These cities don't only enhance service delivery, but also improved citizen satisfaction and economic efficiency. Challenges in applying ISO 37151. Despite its benefits, some challenges exist. Data availability. Accurate measurement requires strong data systems. Initial complexity requires trained personnel and coordination. Customization needs. KPIs need to be adapted locally. Integration issues. Aligning with legacy systems can be tough, but with proper planning, these hurdles can be overcome. Future of ISO 37151. ISO 37151 is expected to evolve alongside smart technologies. Future developments may include KPIs for AI-integrated urban systems, indicators for climate-resilient infrastructure, broader integration with digital twins, and real-time monitoring. As cities become more connected, ISO 37151 will likely serve as the central evaluation tool for sustainable and smart infrastructure planning. Why you should care? In summary, we can say that ISO 37151 is not just a technical document. It is a powerful guide for building smarter, more sustainable, and citizen-friendly cities. Whether you are a city planner, an infrastructure engineer, a policymaker, or a student of urban development, understanding and using ISO 37151 can make a significant difference in shaping our cities of tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with urban developers, city planners, and infrastructure professionals. Comment below with your thoughts or topic suggestions. Stay connected with TNV Academy, where we simplify complex ISO standards for your career and community. Thank you for watching.